Hello everyone, it's your girl Chocolate Swag. Welcome back to my channel, and today is Selfish Sunday, and I will be telling you all what self-love actually looks like. Self-love is knowledge. It's taking the time to know who you are, what you like, and what you don't like. It's very important to stay aware of those things all the time. The second one is inventory. It's asking yourself, how am I feeling? Does this work for me? What feels true? The third one is having compassion for yourself. It's being loving and kind to yourself in every way all the time. It is very important to be compassionate with yourself. You cannot constantly put yourself down, doubt yourself, or put yourself last. You have to love on yourself and uplift yourself. The next one is slowing down, being able to recognize what is happening internally and giving yourself permission to take it easy. It's okay to have an off button. It's okay to have an off day. It's okay to relax and slow down. The next one is major. It's forgiveness. It's forgiving yourself for mistakes or shortcomings. You cannot beat yourself up all the time about things, and you cannot constantly worry about mistakes you've made or shortcomings you have. You have to allow yourself to forgive yourself and move forward. The next one is acceptance. Even in doubt, loving and accepting yourself completely is important. Self-care is next. Taking bubble baths, doing a manicure, reading, writing, cooking, exercising, organizing your space, or sleep. All of those things are a part of self-care. The next important thing that we need to do is make space. And two examples of making space is internally, a form of meditation or yoga, and externally would be cleaning out your closet, cleaning up your house, or doing an energy cleansing. The next one is commitment. You really need to be willing to focus solely and relentlessly on what is healthy for you and what feels good for you. Last, but definitely not least, is set boundaries. That means saying yes when you want to and saying no when you don't want to. It's okay to say no. We can't always help everyone. We can't always be there for everyone. It is okay to say no. Get used to and get comfortable with saying the word no, because sometimes we just need to look out for ourselves and do what's best for ourselves and not put ourselves in situations that we don't really want to be in, or in situations that we are uncomfortable with because we are too afraid to speak up and to stand up for ourselves and say no. Thank you all for tuning in to this video. Drop a comment down below. What was your favorite part of this video? Let me know. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and share with anyone who may need to hear this message. I appreciate you all for stopping by. I hope you have a blessed week and happy Selfish Sunday.